Here we are to finish the work we started yesterday. Let's see.
Yeah, I think it's just even. Maybe like that.
To me, the Ohafia War Dance fabric that is popularly known as handwoven. I've not seen any literature that talks so much about that. On that backdrop, I've decided to bring up some designs that will have the historical narrative. Design in the sense that even though they are always in a stripe formation, let's try and see how we combine it with contemporary known woven structures. What do I mean by that? Things like the herringbone, the diapers, diamond design, eagle eye diamond design, gauze eye diamond design. Let's see the effect it will have on the stripe, other than always having it on plain woven structure. So it is on that I'm embarking on this research work, which will still need the public and the Ohafia people's validation. Above all, the war dancers themselves are the true intended end users. So at the end of their validation, we will not know how far we've gone with the work. I think we said we're going to do ½ inch of the
navy blue.
of the white.
Yes, sir.
Then we will now wrap it up with the
Navy blue.
Navy.
no,
sky blue.
Sky blue.
Sky blue. Okay.
Yeah.
So the rest of the work will now be the sky blue. Then we will now beam it and take it to the loom. You will now see the effect is going to create. No, just bring it up. So when I roll it, well, let's see. Then it will just what did you want? No, not like that. We'll just leave it like this. So they will pick themselves. As what they call. As a matter of fact, today we have another IT student in the person of what's their name?
There
Dera who
is on.
is on. So it's still in the drive of sustaining the indigenous Africa handwoven fabric manufacturing process. The only way we will achieve that is only by transferring the skill and the weaving techniques to the younger generation. I believe my campaign is getting fruitful. So, and we pray by next week or thereabouts, at least 2 more IT students will come around and join our train. Okay. How many jigs do we say we are going to make this gathering? One or two?
It's two.
So,
Okay. What who is that? Hello? Yeah, good morning. Okay. Yeah, I will call you, and you know.
W Uchi in the fucking chat.
Okay, now, so what the public place, so people will be like attending to their meetings to the toilets. We are serving the public. Okay, now, next one is half, and this one is half again. So they will make up our 1 inch of the work. So it remains 1.5 inches. The room. And remember, we are going to use a navy blue waist on this work. And based on the designs we want it to have inherent in it, the two different colors project it properly. And you might see we have less dark color on the work. So, with all these things, they're all precise and practical based. So we wouldn't just predict how the outcome will look like until it gets to the room. We will be seeing it from the finished. you see the way this changes the direction, and yet it will still maintain the parallel line. So it's part of the function and the difference between the two rates we are having on it. At least we should be able to have a new work every two weeks. So there won't be idle moments throughout your IT period. So by the time you go back to various classes, you'll be filled with knowledge, practical baseball. I'm taking something. How many words here? What was it? Two, half.
Half.
Looking it.
If I do this one, then I've done 1.5 on this. So like, okay. Now I've gotten this is 16, 32, 48, and 64. So the 1 inch work is complete. So what we are left with is the half inch, or do we leave it at this?
Let's leave it like this.
Once, let me just 2 more times. And in this way work, we are going to do 2 sets of, going to get 2 sets of work from it. The one will be herringbone. Yes, and we will have the diamond derived from herringbone from it. And we're now going to cut it, do the drafting, and get the diamond where we're going to use it. So that is what we're going to do. This one now we cut the whole work, redraft it from the beginning. So it's possible. Instead of having 2 sets of working, I've done it in one. Then we will now separate the work when the time comes, but it will be one at a time. Just like Uche can now harvest a fabric without finishing the whole work. He has gotten that knowledge, so we will not see how we can combine two different works with the same work. Then we will now see about redrafting it and putting it back to the loom. Okay. Camera closer to capture what she's doing. Using that thing. Okay. Okay. So this is the last one. Yes. This is the last one. Okay. Yes, there's something I forgot to tell you then. Why I always separate the new runs I'm working from the old one is this one. Should this run on top of this, like this? When we'll be doing the pinning, this one that is new on the old one will prevent this rolling out. That is one thing. Then two, at the end of the beaming, if you were able to succeed it in doing it, this portion will be longer in length. Because instead of starting on this one and begin to pile up, it's adding up on already done one. So that difference will be piling up on the length. So that is why you always do round of warping on a fresh, and you have distance. Maybe when you are done, you can then pull them together. These are the skills, that is the precautions in carrying it out. So, that are the things you acquire when you are knowledgeable enough in the practical. So, okay. The fact that we've done the last one, there's no need tying this, because we are going to recover the next thing. This is the last one. Then we will now reclaim our material. So we are done with the roll that one. Roll it. Roll it. Okay, let's see. So now I will segregate this. So here, then we will now reclaim the work. So bring the bowl as you are collecting it. Then you drop it inside it.
What are you inside it?
Water. Leave this very one, huh? It's okay. Yeah, thanks for being part of our morning practical. We will keep you posted on our next step. But let me give you a brief of what we're going to do next. This is the loom we are intending using for the walk. So we will now do the beaming. In some minutes to come, we will beam the material and take it to the loom for looming exercise. Then after that, we will now do the actual weaving. We'll keep you, my followers and fans, posted on the development of our site. Thanks for being part of our project.
Aww.
Yeah.
It's not easy. So they don't want to particular.
You said? Which one?